look at that. Medium rare. Oh, it should be so good. Preheat the air fryer of desire. Grab your minced beef that preferably hasn't run out on the 16th of January, but meat's meat, protein's protein. Use a pinch of salt. Place your meat simply on a plate. Remove this thing. You don't need it. Season this side. And now we wait for the air fryer to be preheated. And if you're curious, this is preheated to 193 degrees Celsius. And of course, it will be on for 12 minutes. It's now saying add food, so you simply place your block of meat inside the air fryer. Be careful when you put it in the air because the air fryer will be quite hot. And now we simply put it in. And I'll see you in about 12 minutes when it will be done. Bon appetit! Yeah. Now if it smells of vinegar, that's normal, that's just bacterial fermentation. 8 minutes on the clock. My body craves meat. It's done. It says end. So now you simply open it. Oh, look at that. That's dinner. Look at that beauty. It's a bon appetit. So now you simply take that and put it on a plate. And that right there is a bon appetit. And you can keep the fat for the eggs. Now it's time for the money shot. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Medium rare. Oh, it should be so good. First try. That's so gourmet. Gordon Ramsay's got nothing. Perfectly seasoned, cooked perfectly. I would recommend this to anyone.